Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. I will show you what you can do to bypass this error message. Your connection is not private. So let's say you have a website you want to visit, but it just doesn't let you using Google Chrome. So first off, what we need to do is go to our history and just completely clear it. Just follow what I'm doing. Clear browsing data, and then you want to select for time range all time, and then just click on clear data. All right, that is the first step. After that, we need to close out of our browser, minimize this, and then we need to search for, click on this magnifying glass, and we need to search for view network connections. Now here we're going to change something, and I'm going to tell you what it does. So basically, currently all of your search queries go through your ISP, internet service provider, right? What we're going to do is make them go through Google. Now I don't know which one is worse, but this resolves the problem which we have with your connection isn't private. So basically, if you give permission to Google, they say, okay, now you're fine. So after we've entered the control panel network connections, you want to search for your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. I'm using a PC, so I only have Ethernet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you want to do this on the Wi-Fi option. So right click on it, click properties. Then we want to locate TCP IP version 4. Then after that, we need to left click it and then select properties. The only thing which we need to change here is this one. The second half, we need to click on use the following DNS server addresses, and we type 4 8s, 8, you press the right key on your keyboard, 8 again, 8 and 8, and then for the alternate DNS server, we type 8 8 4 4. Okay? This is it. This is all you do. And by doing this, like I said, your queries, instead of going through your internet service provider, they will go through Google. So this automatically fixes the your connection is not private error. You need to press OK, restart your PC, and you should be good to go. All right, guys. Hope this helped you out. If it does, or if it did, make sure you like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.